Hi, I'm Nani from Human Design Tools. Ever feel like you're doing all the inner work but still not totally clear on who you are or where you're headed? Yeah, same here. That's why I started using this deck. It's called the Human Design and Essential Oils Activation Deck. And it's like a mini roadmap for your energy and your soul. Each card connects to one of the 64 human design gates, plus it suggests an essential oil to help you work with the energy of that gate. So it's not just a card that you're pulling, it's a vibe shift. So whether you're deep into human design or just curious, this deck helps you tap in, slow down, and actually feel aligned with your own design. I like pulling a card out in the morning and then drop on some essential oil and just sit with the message. It's quick, grounding, and honestly, it just feels good. You can connect with your energy, your gates, and learn where you could make your own vibe shift by reading the right card at the right time. So if you're into self-discovery, human design, or just want to feel more you, this is your sign. You can grab this deck now on Amazon and start your own activation journey. Your energy already knows what you need. This deck just helps you remember. So check out the Human Design Activation Deck. It makes it easy and fun to tap into the highest vibe of each gate. And then the bonus is that each card comes with a suggested essential oil to help you along the way. Thank you for tuning in.